In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drill down to any dashboard in Tableau. Whether you're just starting out or are looking to enhance your data presentations, adding a drill down feature can make your dashboards more interactive and insightful. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll launch the Tableau application. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you do so. You'll quickly discover how powerful this tool can be for data visualization. Once you're in, access your desired worksheet. Navigate to the worksheet containing the data you wish to drill down from. You want this to be set up exactly how you need it because this is the data that will feed into your dashboard. Now, go to your dashboard and select the sheet that you want to add a drill down to. This involves going through your available sheets and deciding which one you want to be able to drill into for more detailed insights. Once you've selected this sheet, it's time to take action. Head over to the dashboard menu at the top. This is where you'll find most of your customization options. Within the dashboard menu, you'll spot the Actions button. Click on this to open up the Action Management dialog. Here you'll see an Add Action option. Click on it. This is where the magic starts to happen. You'll be presented with several types of actions, but for this exercise, click on Filter. You're essentially telling Tableau that you want to filter data from one sheet to another. Your next step is to name the filter action. This might seem trivial, but it's a good practice for keeping your work organized, especially if you plan on having multiple actions on the same dashboard. Once done, you'll choose your source sheet, which is the sheet you have initially selected for the drill down feature. Make sure you select Menu under Run Action On, meaning this action will execute when a menu option is selected. After that, you'll select your target sheet, the sheet where the detailed data will be displayed once the drill down is activated. And here, select Show All Values to ensure every potential data point is visible. Finally, it's time to confirm your settings by clicking OK. A confirmation window might pop up to double-check everything is correct. Confirm once more by hitting OK. And there you have it. You've successfully added a drill-down feature to your Tableau dashboard. This functionality not only makes your data more interactive and engaging, but also empowers users to delve deeper into the data, gaining richer insights. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it opens up new ways for you to visualize and interact with your data. Don't hesitate to explore further and enjoy the new depth you can bring to your dashboards.